In this lesson, we are going to talk about the sound tools that we have in a Premiere Rush. Okay. First example, and when you, for example, I inserted music from YouTube here, going to the sound, and we have 3 tabs here: basic, advanced, channel. The channel will be turned on or off, the right and left channel for your sound. That's it. The basic is clip volume. You can simply, as you can see, select your sound. You can turn up or down the sound level. Very simple. Okay. And you can mute it if you want. Close that. And the most interesting part is in advance. I explained them, but I want to first explain auto dock. It's very important and interesting. For example, here I haven't, select that. Going to the basic and mute that. As you can see, I insert a part of my training about this software. Effects on your clips. As you can see, this icon is the person that's speaking, because you have to first change the type of that clip to voice. It means I'm talking in this clip. Okay, it's the most important of your clip. Someone is talking, someone is explaining some things. But we inserted background music, and as you can see, what's happening? Effects on your clips. It's very simple. As you can see, the background music and my voice is mixing to each other. The auto dock automatically turn down the sound to this clip, and you can hear your voicing. So you have to first set this voice on voice, this clip, and select that music and set it as a music. Do it automatically. And here in that music, activate auto dock. As you can see, what happened here? A gap will be appear here. In this area, the level of the sound is very low, and you can hear your voice. Effects on your clips. It's very simple. And as you can see, if it's ended, the music level automatically grow up. Click on them and changing the color. This is auto dock. As you can see, if you change for example, I bring my voice here, the auto dock automatically happen here. It's interesting. Or if you going and duplicate that and bring it here again, the auto dock happen in both. It's very interesting. Okay, when you select as music, we have just auto volume. As you can see, if you insert several music, you can select all of them and click auto volume. Apply iMedia to keep your entire project near the same value. Okay. And when you select as a voice, we have another thing. Auto volume, balance sound. For example, if you talking loud or quiet, it will balance between them. Reduce background noise. Okay, for that I delete that music for a second, and I record a voiceover. Click. Hello there, I'm testing the noise reduction, so stop my speaking. And as you hear, we have a little noise that. Okay, this is we have a noise here. It's automatically set to the voice. Okay, that's nice. Speaking. As you hear, we have. You can select it and reduce the background noise, and you can specify the intensity. Speaking. As you can see, our noise is removed, but we have damped our voice. My speaking. So stop my, okay. I changed it volume or intensity to 13, for example. This is nice. Be careful about noise reduction because it's damn all voice. Stop my speaking, and I think that's nice. If you have an echo, it's reduce that, or you can change your enhanced speech, for example. Here I'm testing the noise reduction, so higher pitch, lower speaking. And as you hear, we have a little noise that. Okay, this is an enhanced speech. You can lower pitch or higher pitch. And that's it. Simple and straightforward. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.